In the last couple days, we had a very beautiful boost up for the Cronos meme coins, specifically Crow with Knife, CAW, and MERY, the Mystery on Cronos token. Two of the biggest memes on Cronos right now, aside from Corgi AI, these have been the most trendy as of late, really propping up a whole meme coin mania. Now, as you've been tracking these, maybe you've seen there was a huge dip, but recently a new exchange listing came for Crow with Knife, and now that is live. A little bit of a retracement after that, a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and now we are waiting for a moment for MERY where they lead up to a new exchange listing for that as well. I want to give you guys as much detail as I have on that today. Look at the price action because MERY's coming down a little bit today. And I just want to talk a little bit about CAW versus MERY and some of the updates I've seen on these tokens for you guys in this one today. And obviously, we'll talk about CRO, Crowcoin, as well in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more content. Smash the like button. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Let me just jump in. So Bitcoin today tested the $60,000 level. We could test it once more time, maybe even get down to $59,500. And the market is coming down a little bit. And so what we're seeing right now is some of these memes are coming down a little bit as well. Crow with Knife came down a little bit after a nice little pump, but it's trying to turn into a green candle here today. We'll see how this one pans out. But the whole ecosystem's a little bit calm to flat today, a little bit down. And that is kind of a reflection of buy the rumor, sell the event, news event, potentially with CAW. MERY has a little bit of buy the rumor still happening because this exchange list is coming. I'll get into more of the details on that in a second. But I do want to go back over to VVS Finance, which is the top DEX on Cronos, and highlight two things. One, Crow with Knife is now getting picked by VVS Finance themselves as the meme of the week. Now, previously I've talked about these community picked memes, and recently Push and Unloaded, or the two community picked, voted by the community on the VVS Discord as the top memes of the week, getting some advantages in the meme of the week farms on VVS Finance, the liquidity providing protocol on Cronos, the largest DEX on Cronos. And what's interesting is VVS Finance is now promoting this token essentially on their own. And when I say this token, I'm talking about Crow with Knife. This is good, guys. Crow with Knife is kind of the tide that can raise the boats in Cronos. We saw Crow with Knife pump, and then MERY got a pump as well. The exchange listing coming from MERY could be good as well. But we're going to want to continue to see what's going on in this space, looking at VVS Finance as they continue to support their own chain with these meme mania banners on their page, and continuing to do these meme of the week picks and getting involved with the community, which is super, super great to see. MERY has been doing a tremendous job lately, and the team has been doing a great job of showing that this has been trending on OKX, which they are listed on, which is a major exchange. Usually, it's really an Asian-based exchange mostly, which is very big. Actually, the founder of this mystery token is from Asia, so maybe there's some affiliation with why they went to OKX first. I don't really know. It seems like he goes to a lot of events around Asia. That's speculation. But anyway, this token is trending. It's been doing very, very well and hanging on after a very, very brutal dump, right? This Mystery MERY token came down quite a bit after its highs. Really, really big time. And it is still so far down from its highs. If this thing recovers back to previous all-time highs, my friends, 377% gains. That's a 3.7x on your money. And if Crow with Knife does the move back to new all-time highs as well, which could happen, guys, we're just waiting for the overall market to turn back up. Crow with Knife's about 79% away from its new high as well, so held its value a little bit stronger than MERY. Both these tokens had some FUD recently. I want to talk a little bit about that really quickly before I get into the Mystery MERY token exchange listing news. First off, Crow with Knife, the original founder of this token, Destruction. He's been a little bit silent. People in the community were wondering, where is he at? What's going on? Well, recently, I think the team made a very good move, and Destruction has officially stepped back because he has been absent. Joy Ho, I think I'm saying his name right, officially took over the project with some other teammates and marketing partner managers. It's really a community-based project. So Destruction stepping back. A lot of people are speculating, is this good? Is this bad? In my personal opinion, I think it's good just because he admitted that he doesn't really have the time to take care of the community as he hoped or as he would like to, since he did. And he did a great job in the beginning, a really tremendous job. You got to give him credit for getting the token to the highs that it did. And now he put some other leaders in charge that can keep this project moving forward. But I want to remind you guys this. When it comes to a token in general, it's not about the leader 100%, especially for a meme specifically. Now for Crow, For a coin like Terra Luna, leadership is important, right? For Binance, leadership is important. But for a meme coin, the community is what's most important, and there's no doubt that the Crow with Knife community is very strong. Same thing goes for the Mystery MERY token. Now, they've got a new exchange listing coming, but before I get more into that, I want to talk a little bit about what happened in the past. They raised $100,000. 50% of it were raised by like 2 or 3 people, the leader and Robinhood and some of the other big players in Cronos. And the rest was raised by the community. Unfortunately, it was a fake exchange listing and not by fault of the token creator, the leader of this project, David.Crow. He did make a mistake in not vetting the security on these potential partnerships with these exchanges properly, so you got to call a spade on that. But he didn't do it with any ill intent from what we know. The community stuck with him and did not take this thing down to zero. This price held on spectacularly well considering some of the issue with that 100K that was raised by the community. And now it's coming back as the Crow with Knife was moving up, as Bitcoin's been holding on to the 60K range, which is very, very cool to see that the community really stood by the dev on this project because they believe in him so much. Again, the leader of the project is not the end-all be-all for a project, but it is something that you do like to look through. Transparency, communication, these are all important. So I do like the move that Crow with Knife leader just did by stepping back and basically passing the torch over to the community and some of the community leaders. And MERY, David.Crow stood by the issues that happened and is continuing to push forward, move forward, get more exchange listings. So let's talk about the next exchange listing coming. There is one. It's a top volume exchange. We do not know the name of this exchange. David.Crow, the leader of MERY token, vowed that he would not announce the exchange until it's officially done, but he is teasing that there is an exchange listing coming that they've officially vetted with all the proper security clearances that they've set now forward after the first mistake, and they are going to be asking the community for more funds to raise. So we're going to keep an eye on this fundraiser from the community for this upcoming exchange listing, see how it plays out. My prediction is that it's probably going to be very successful and it's probably going to get a boost, but I want to warn you guys with any token out there, when an exchange listing comes, it usually translates to a buy the rumor, sell the news event. This was the buy the rumor, sell the news event. Can Crow with Knife keep coming up now that it was just listed on Gate.io? I think it can. So it can be temporary sell-offs. Sometimes it can be extended sell-offs. You never know. But what you can do is stay posted, stay aware, keep your finger on the pulse, and make sure that you're watching these charts, watching the developments that are happening by getting into these private discords and following the community. As for CRO token, my friends, well, we're watching Bitcoin play the game off 60K if we get a bounce here. I do believe that Crowcoin can also continue its bounce versus Bitcoin. Crowcoin value-wise is at an all-time low versus Bitcoin, which means, in my opinion, that there's a tremendous amount of upside ahead for CRO. I do think that at some point in this bull market, it should easily reclaim its highs versus Bitcoin, which means a 10x coming for Crowcoin versus Bitcoin. A lot of people are feeling a little bit down and out about Crowcoin and the performance right now, but I want to remind you guys that Crowcoin is at a great buying opportunity below 10 cents right now. If it gets back to $1, that's a 10x. A 10x versus Bitcoin would be spectacular as well. And then what I want to remind you guys most importantly is this is the first bull market for the Cronos chain, for the Cronos memes, for the Crowcoin token since the Cronos chain has been around. And the overall market cap has not taken new highs yet. So there's no reason we should have expected CRO to take new highs before the total market cap takes new highs as well. Now you can trade a lot of cryptocurrencies, guys, and you can take advantage of the volatility in crypto. If you want to sign up for a new and upcoming exchange, check out our link for Blowfin down below. You get up to $30 free for copy trading functionality on this exchange. And there's other sign-up bonuses as well when you deposit money into this exchange. If you haven't signed up already, I suggest you check it out, guys. Again, nothing's financial advice on this channel, but we're giving you the tools to do the research, to do your own research and figure it out. We like to accumulate projects. We like to accumulate these cryptocurrencies and trade the volatility in crypto because we got a bull market. It's a huge opportunity to make some money in our opinion, but please note, you got to do your own digging, guys, on all this. I'm very bullish on the Cronos ecosystem. I'm bullish on Crow with Knife. I'm bullish on MERY. I really like the fact that a MERY exchange listing is coming. I really like the fact that a Crow with Knife listing it just happened, and there's probably more coming soon. I want to see these things continue to expand to other chains and grow the Cronos chain. I think it's coming, guys. Do you? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. That is all I have for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel for more content. DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.